Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to track affiliate sales and the impact radius. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to track affiliate sales in impact radius, simply set up your tracking. Simply set up your tracking for advertisers, for affiliate partners and stuff like this. After this, you need to track your sales in the dashboard. Simply log in into impact.com, navigate to for affiliates or for advertisers, and you will see clicks, impressions, and conversions. So now you need to automate your tracking and notification, set up an email or in-platform alerts when a new sale commission is posted. After this, you can export CSV or scheduled report for accounting and revenue tracking. Once this is done, simply optimize your account and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many informative and updating videos. We will be back again really soon.